Hey team, welcome back for 2026. We're back in the workshop, we're back in the full swing of things. All of our suppliers are open and everything's underway. We've been swamped with 300 series work lately, GVM upgrades, bar work, wheels and tyres, interior storage, electrical systems, you name it, the works. The 300 series is super popular. We love working on them. We've got heaps of experience and we definitely enjoy being a specialist on this vehicle. Behind me here, we've got Steve's 300, which we've just finished a build on. We got started just before Christmas and we've finished it off early this year. So this build here started with the Jmacx 4200 GVM. This is a 4.2 ton GVM with a maintained brake tow capacity of 3.5 ton, giving us a total combined of 7.7 ton. We've got a 2-inch lift, which have the option for 2 or 3, but Steve's gone for 2 inches. And we've also got the Jmacx Alpha electric shocks. We have the option for manual or electric. They're both a remote res adjustable shock. The manuals are adjusted from inside the wheel arch. The electric gives you in-cabin control and also active control as well. So good to see Steve going with the electric. I'm sure he'll be happy with that. The Jmacx kit comes with the 4200 rear diff housing. So the 38 GVM is just suspension. The 42 GVM gives us that rear housing to increase the rear axle load, getting us up to that higher GVM and GCM. We've got airbags, we've got upper control arms, we've got sway bar extensions, all of the supporting mods needed to put this suspension package together. Now, as part of the GVM, we do load rated wheels and tyres. Steve's gone for the Method 314, which is an 18x9. And we've wrapped that with the Toyo Open Country AT3, a really popular all-terrain tyre. These ones are a 285/70/17. With the Jmacx kits, we can do anything that falls in that 33 to 35 inch range, and also 17 or 8 inch wheels, depending on your preference and what offset's available in the wheel that you choose. Those wheels are covered by the Jmacx Flare kit, which is also part of the 42 GVM, color coded up to the vehicle. They look quite nice. Moving on to the bar work, we've got the ARB Summit MKII bar. This one's been color coded to match the paintwork of the vehicle. We've got a range of different bars. The Summit MKII from ARB, definitely the pinnacle of those options, but we do have off-road animal as well, color coded options, black options, hooped, hoopless, take your pick, it's up to you. We've got heaps of options. The worn VR Evo winch is in there. This is the 12,000 pound with synthetic. We've got the flip up license plate bracket to allow good usage of that. We've got the ARB rated recovery points, pair of those. Now they're rated to 8 ton. They do also have the option to use soft shackle or your traditional shackle. They've got beveled edges, so they're not going to damage the soft shackles. They're fully rated to use with both of those options. We've got the GME UHF and aerial, just the stubby aerial up here, which is mounted on a bonnet mount from K-On. Nice and tidy, nice and sleek, rather than putting it up in the bull bar. Better for cable management, keeps it out of your eye line, doesn't wobble around as much, so a really good option there. Up on the top, we've got the ARB Base Rack, one of my favorite racks, super low profile, super strong mounting design, heaps of accessories available, and a fully welded design rather than bits and pieces sort of bolted together like a Meccano set. On top of that, we've got the Bush Company 270 awning, providing heaps of shade. That's about all for this one. We did do a few other minor jobs. We've got the Mr. Hitches tow hitch, we've got Anderson plug, brake controller, all of your usual electrics. But yeah, overall it's been a great build. Thanks for Steve for using us. We really enjoyed working with you. So if you like this content, you want to see more of these builds, or you're interested in a Jmacx kit, jump on our website, jump on our socials, or give us a call, send through an email.